Hello, welcome back, guys. Market, hope you are doing very well. Market was huge volatile today. See what happened. Market opened somewhere in this zone. Okay, we thought that market may go to 25,130 to test previous day highs, but market gave a rejection from this level, and we have seen a fall towards this level. So market was basically in range of this 24,880 to 25,130. So what is happening? If you see the Friday, market has not even crossed that Friday's high. So as long as we are not crossing this high, so momentum may not come that easily. Okay, so this high is very vital for us. So tomorrow again, see, today is US CPI data. So tomorrow what can happen? As per data, we can see a short covering maybe if data is good. If data is not good, we can see some fall again. So expect some gap up or gap down tomorrow. For me, this level again, 25,118 to 25,130 is a crucial level. If it's crossed, then only you can see a rally towards this zone. Or else, on the downside, see downside, this low is very important now, 24,757, which is the Monday low. So tomorrow again being an expiry, expect Nifty not to breach 24,860. Okay, any closing below 24,800 is not good for us. So on the upside, 25,130. If short covering comes, then a big rally is possible. It depends on US CPI data. I'm expecting Nifty to be in this range 24,870 to 21,130. It's a pretty big range, but this is how market is playing right now. So what happened to the star today? The expiry player. Huge volatility. Open somewhere in this area. This was our Lakshman Rekha, has said many times, 51,400. We were long here. We had booked some pretty good gains in our premium group. Then it gave a serious rejection and again closed above this 51,000 level. So 51,000 to 51,400. See, it's a big range. Whole 2 days was there only. So the last 15-minute candle of both Nifty and Nifty Bank are very good actually. Fin Nifty guys, so it was clearly said it will be in this range. So again, see, the range has become somewhat very big. It's 23,725 to 23,562. See guys, this blue line is acting as very good resistance and this is acting as very good support. Here also see last 15-minute candle. So something was there at last 15 minutes. Okay, see, a good rally. Almost a Marubozu candle in all three index. Let's see Nifty Midcap, what was last 15 minutes saying. Same here also. So Nifty Midcap, again, it started pretty well, but somehow not able to hold this support, and we have seen a fall towards 13,100, but closed above 13,100 comfortably. So tomorrow, guys, today's US CPI data. So because of that, we can see some sort of rally. Next week, we have a rate cut meeting. So what will happen? We have to see that tomorrow we can expecting if their short covering comes in Nifty. The chances are very unlikely, but if comes, then we can see a sharp move in Nifty, or else again a range bound market for tomorrow as long as Nifty holds 24,860, 850. That was a short video, guys. Thank you so much. Please hit the like button. Please join us on our all social media platform, and please try to let's trade till the red cut. Thank you so much.